Hello, greetings to everyone. Happy New Year. So, today I am going to just have a quick review of what we have the last time. All right? It was all about describing light and understanding light, of course. So, we go to the next slide. Okay, last time we had already this article. We have read already and we have already discussed what the vocabularies that are in this article, right? I was having hard time to describe it. Now, photography is harder than many people think it is. As everybody is doing right now, everybody is like taking pictures. But then, if you are a good photographer, then you are very, very strict on how it looks like. The lights, the darkness, and everything that has to be dealt with. However, a good photographer again needs skill and precision. Inexperience, okay? The photographers who doesn't have any experience often do not understand how light affects their work. Example, me, teacher, I don't know how the light affects when I take a photo. Yeah? Now, photographers must consider the value in their photographs. Too little light produces darkness pictures. I just have learned that one when we were discussing about it the last time. They might even be completely black. Too much light does not produce enough contrast. Again, that. An extremely bright picture might not show enough detail. A clear, sharp picture requires the right balance of light and darkness. So again, if it's a very good picture, it says it should be a sharp picture. It has right balance of light and darkness. Good photographers as well will adjust the amount of light in their pictures. Translucent materials limit the light without blocking it entirely. Opaque materials, on the other hand, produce complete shades. So that's what we had the last time. And by reading the article about understanding light, if we have the situation like too little light, the result produces what? Please read. And if the situation has too much light, the result would give you, please read. And the last one, but not the least, if the situation have a balance of light and darkness, then you will have the result of, please read. Yes, correct. So for today's video, you are going to listen first, okay, for the conversation that I will be giving. And then later on, I will give you instruction, okay, to how you're going to do it. So here it goes. Hey, Paul, are these your photographs of the mayor? Yes, I took those yesterday. Why? There's way too much light in these pictures. Really? I was afraid they were going to be too dark. That's why I added an extra lamp. Here, take a look. Do you see how there's almost no contrast? Wow, you're right. You can hardly see the details in his face. We can't print this. There's just not sharp enough. I'm really sorry. I'll be more careful next time. Now, get a partner. You call your partner, okay? You try to have a good conversation using this dialogue. Please make sure you express it like you are just talking to each other, not like you're reading it. Yeah, you can though read it, but you have to express yourself again like you are talking to each other. Not like, hey Paul, what's your negation? Yes, I took yesterday. Why? If there is too much light in this picture. Right? No, I don't like that. I want you to express it well. Practice, okay? So number one, call your friend and record your voices. Number two, I will give you 25 minutes to practice. I will be waiting. Do not make me wait too much longer, okay? After recording, send to my email. Send only today, not tomorrow. If you are going to send it tomorrow, I will be giving you very small points. Okay? So, I'll wait for you today. Our next topic for next week will be colors, all about colors, the art of beginners, introduction to colors. Okay, so that's what we will have next week. And on the next slide, I will be giving you homework to do it. Don't worry, I will explain and I will read first for you and you are going to repeat after me. Okay, see you at the next slide. So there you go. This is your homework. All right. Read, understand, and answer the question.
I will read it for you first. You can try to repeat after me while I'm reading so that you will have a practice and, exercise yourself to speak and read English. Okay. Color. Section 2. The three primary colors are red, yellow, and blue. You can combine these colors to create secondary colors. Adjust the amount of each pigment to create more hues in between. Each hue appears in a variety of shades. A color wheel shows the full spectrum of colors. It helps you determine how different colors interact. It shows simple combinations of complementary colors for beginner artists. Once you understand colors, you are ready to use them. Ask yourself what level of intensity you need. Do you want a soft, dull, or yellow? Or would you prefer a bright, vibrant red? The possibilities are truly endless. Okay, so the questions are at the right screen. You're going to read that alone and try to answer. All right, so there's also a reading on number 2. You'll only have to write T or F. T meaning true and F for false. Okay, see you right then and there when we are going to see each other for face-to-face class, maybe next week, or it depends on the school announcement. All right, see ya.